Today I'm going to show you how to propose a reference node to cite a source on 1Cademy. First step is to find where and how your community organizes references. Each area of the map organizes them differently, so check in with others in your community to find out where and how references are organized. For example, in this picture, the education community references are organized as children off of a relation node. Then the next step is to propose a change to the parent node that holds all of the references, similar to how you propose a child node. Then you select the reference child node option from the sidebar. When you find where your community organizes their reference nodes, you click on the pencil icon to propose a version of the node, and then click on reference child node to allow the template to generate. Once the template has generated, title the reference node with the name and the year of the source you are referencing. And then for the contents of the reference node, copy and paste the APA citation of the source. To reiterate, once you have the template open in front of you, you put the title and year of the source here, and the APA citation of the source here. Once you have added the contents of your reference node, finalize and propose the reference node, much like you would do when proposing a child node by clicking on the green propose button. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions regarding reference nodes, please watch our video on the different types of nodes.